Alright. It's the 4th of July, and we're so excited to be around this late at night for, like, fun on what I guess is a fun holiday. Do I have a snack, Mom? Or something like that?
Well, you got M&Ms. Go get them. Why'd you have that door? Watch out.
Oh, well.
You're stepping. Watch out.
Oh, what? I'll look around.
Shit. My thing fell down again.
Here we go. Hey, you can see that. Wow. I know about red, white, and blue M&Ms. And it's a special kind of M&Ms for what I believe is Independence Day. Here we go. Alright, that's very cool. I know. I got that. Here's one of the M&M's spokes candies. And here we go. I think it'll be alright. So, I feel like somebody was about to watch anything. Perhaps it should be the most amazing fireworks show of anyone's lives. I showed anyone M&Ms for red, white, and blue. Yeah, that's right. Those are red, white, and blue 4th of July M&Ms. And they feel good. I'm pretty sure it's alright. So here we go. What is a good time to celebrate the 4th of July? Fireworks could be the most part. Here we go. I'm gonna have to set this up eventually. But here we go with all the fireworks in here. Yes, it may be a good time. Alright. We know. It's already a good time for all of us. And now, all we're gonna do is have some fun. Okay. It'll be alright. Oh, I can't believe it.
Go sit down, honey.
Alright, I will. Here we go.
It's dark.
It is dark. Here we go.
Fireworks.
Oh, come on. Maybe a better way to celebrate this occasion. I got these, and they're milk chocolate M&Ms. The red, white, and blue ones. Here we go. I know. I bet this would be good. So, it'll be alright though. Some M&Ms. Here we go. Somebody was just about right. I think it'll be good. Yes, it's so good enough, Mom, that you're having some fun on the 4th. And I do believe my sister and Fred are on their way. Mom, we got some good friends with us. And I can't believe that I brought Allison here. Along with, Kayla, Stacy, Claudia, Sonia, Miss O'Brien, Tina, Sasha, Gabrielle, everybody. Every single one of my women. Here we go. This is going to be so much fun. Okay, you know what? I think a friend is just feeling nuts when she wants to have some fun. Uh-oh. It feels like, absolutely. Anyone must be around here somewhere. I think he has had a chance to look good whenever a friend like Steve or Bob or whoever is a good gentleman on the 4th. So, this is an interesting summer so far. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to stutter. So anyway, are you having something not out of your mind, Mom? Oh yeah.
I'm always having one.
Oh jeez. I got that a few days after my 25th birthday. It's actually the day after my 25th birthday. So, I know the 4th of July fun is continuing on with fireworks, M&Ms, all the good stuff. I know. Okay, here we go. I wonder why so many people are around us. I know. Many people are around us both for this celebration. It'll be alright, though. Uh-oh. Here comes some more fireworks, if you don't mind. I got
There are
that.
bugs biting the shit out of my legs.
Oh, jeez. Pay attention so anyone doesn't get any bug bites or something like that. Okay. You can feel the excitement of the 4th. It's just a fine holiday no matter what. And we just can't wait to celebrate every part of an all-American holiday. And here comes some more fireworks, I believe, Mom. So I think this would be good. Will it? It's alright. We would hang tight and do whatever. Yes. So, it might be a good part of the fun. So don't worry, Mom, it's gonna be alright. It really is. I think I'm gonna have some fun too. Don't you mind? Here we go. Oh, that's really nice. Hey, Mom,
What?
how could you do something looking around here?
That's
People aren't getting some bug bites in any form. At Sonia's old house, there had been bug bites on past 4th of Julys. Here we go, Sonia. Oh. What's he saying? He's got nothing to do. I can tell you, if he's alright with that. Okay, that's all there is to it.